this is our last full day in Thailand, so we had to go, since it's Sunday, and we had to go to church to thank the Lord for this trip. Thank you, Lord. So yeah, I'll try to vlog, but I don't know if I am a good vlogger. So anyways, just bear with me for the next clips. Thank you. So yes, yan na nga po, just finished church, nagsimba, and then we are here in Bubble in the Forest Cafe. Yeah, let's go. Where do we order? Where? Table? Okay, okay. Do you accept card? Here we are walking to our table. Okay. The place is very aesthetic, Instagrammable worthy. So you should come. Rodrigo. Rodrigo. Pa, Rodrigo. Ano? So, diba, I'm really not a good vlogger. So, yun na, tapos na kami off to our next cafe, which is After the Rain Cafe. So, yeah, let's go and take pictures, make TikToks, and then more pictures there in another cafe. Let's go.
Glor, ni kon man o kanang ma-turn eh. Turn. Oy, rest na ni mo hangin. Wala ba sa iyang childhood mo? Wala bang ganyan sa childhood mo? Bob ni mo. Mahagdong lingod, Bob. Buyo na ga. Kasi na magsukaan ni before ako makasakay. Ipagtaro dira ha? Yeah, you are. Stilingo ko anong pantuyok tuyok. Tuyok, tuyok, tuyok.
And now we're in the After the Rain Cafe. Hindi ko na siya na video yung nag-enter kami. So, I'm so sorry. But ito lang mahanap kong video. The tilapia ba to? Di ko alam mo anong fishes to. So, yeah. Keep on watching.
I see her boots at the corner cafe with a notebook and a grin.
This one, nag-ano kami dito? Nag-feeding some... No, not kami. May nag-feed. So, I just took the video kasi why not? And then, let's go for picture taking.
Keeps pulling at my chain.
Again.
Oh, traveler, you carry the sun in your stride,
Kapit lang, baka maging story.
leaving behind
Bye!
what I hold If I don't ask your name today, I may never get the chance to walk beside your wandering dance.
Baka naman, kami na.
Please,
She hums a tune I've never heard in languages I can't speak. She writes down cities on and dreams she'll never keep.
So here's our food and drinks. I don't remember what our food was, but never mind. So, yun lang.
By my feet,
So we also tried this.
like old
I don't know what you call this. It's not kayak. Basta, nag-ikot lang kami. Papunta doon somewhere there. Then, lumagpas kami sa kabila and then took pictures and so on and so on. So, yeah. Wala kaming video while paddling to somewhere. Pero, ito lang talaga mapakita ko habang kami nag-picture and whatnot. So, yeah.
if I don't ask your name today.
it's on.
And then after the trip, we went to Big C Supermarket to buy pasalubong. Yeah, we bought various stuffs, spicy and not spicy, basta yun.
Maybe next year in Madrid.
So this is it, our last night in Thailand. We had to pack and ready for our flight tomorrow. Bye!